Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2008 Mazda CX-7 stock number 5945. This ran from 11th 2006 to 02 2012. It has a level 3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre petrol 4-cylinder engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear door, one small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front mirror. Right front door, 2 small dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.